which is outdated. It's the 2.1 version. Alright, give me a chance now that I know what to do. No! No, 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 no. That's not what you're supposed to do. You don't do that. Fuck. Oh, dude. It's the same place fucking EVW died. Oh, dude, that's... Oh, fuck. Dude, that's a great new vest, though. Because now... Dude, I almost have the level in 2 runs. That's actually insane. Triple 25? Why? Why does that happen again? Dude. What the fuck is that? What is this? What is this? No, what? You are not serious right now. I refuse to accept that. You are not serious right now. That's the reason I've gotten 46 3 times. That right there. Are you serious? Okay, here, wait. I need to fucking... I need to see how to do this, because this was not in my start position copy. Nope, don't close my game. Yeah, there's a little invisible